MEDUSA, a multi-environment dual robot for underwater sample acquisition. In order to embark on its mission, MEDUSA is first deployed to a remote aquatic location. Once MEDUSA lands on the water, a pod containing all the sensors required for the mission is then lowered into the water via the coiling mechanism. The pod's depth is controlled by an inflatable membrane. The operator sends depth commands to MEDUSA and the pod reaches those set points. In addition to traveling to different depths, the pod can also move to different locations at that depth using its jets. Within the plane, the pod steers via thrust differential, allowing it to navigate to confined spaces and moves at a maximum speed of 0.3 meters per second. As part of the example mission shown here, the pod records video footage of an underwater environment. The video data is sent through the coil to the quadrotor floating above the water. With the mission complete, MEDUSA returns home.